Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the best known PC brands out there, Dell, is going to change the name of its PCs, and it drops one of the most iconic names, the XPS series, which kind of were like the top of the line Dell series. And they've announced that now they're rebranding it as three separate brands. When you buy a PC, you'll have the choice between a Dell PC, a Dell Pro, or a Dell Pro Max. So Dell PCs, like they say here, designed to play, school, and work. Dell Pro, designed for professional grade productivity. And Dell Pro Max, maximum performance. In there will be a mix, of course, of AI PCs that will have Copilot+PC branding, and a mix of Intel and also AMD chips for the CPU. So, is this a good idea? You know, when a company has a brand that everybody knows, and the XPS series was always has been known as the top of the line. The fact that you change this for Dell Pro Max, because Dell Pro Max will be what XPS was, I'm not sure it's necessarily that great of an idea, but at the same time, we'll see what happens. I guess they're trying to rebrand and see what they can get out of it and sell those PCs, simplifying at the same time the types of PCs that they will be actually sending out. It's interesting because I haven't seen anyone with a Dell PC in a long time. They used to be very common when I was doing some of the tech duties. They used to be very common. Dell seems to be kind of not really the number one choice. I can't even remember when I've seen a Dell in a store here in Canada. So this is maybe the rebranding goes with the fact that they're having a hard time competing with everybody, but I don't know. HP, of course, last year did a rebranding of its own PC branches too. So I guess they're trying different things, see if it works. So forget the XPS brand. Now Dell is Dell or Dell Pro or Dell Pro Max. And that's pretty much it. You'll have to look at what it contains when you're in the store or online buying one. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.